up, YouTube? Today we are unboxing the WWE WREKKIN Collision Cage. Let's do it! Now we're gonna open it and we'll show you what's inside. Ropes. We have the little part of the cage. And this is gonna be the ring and the box just fell. So first, you're gonna untie this. This is hard. Man, the people are just. Oh my god! Okay, this is the nice piece in here. Okay, I think I know what to do. Yeah, this has to snap in. Okay. This is the top one. Okay. This is the bottom one. And there. We got that one done. There. There. That one's there. Boom. Now we're done with the ropes. Now let's build the cage. Okay, this side, Miles, is... So then you need one of these. Okay. Alright, now we gotta push this in. There. I think you put this. Okay, so this is what we built so far. This side. This side. This side. And we're on our last side. This side right here. So this is our last door. Right now. Now we're gonna do the stickers! So we have the WREKKIN stickers, small WWE, and then the WWE for the middle of the ring. It's high. And this is the launcher. Oh no! That's scary. I'm gonna climb into the cage. Yeah. I'm at the head of the table. I'm gonna climb out. Oh, the fiend. Oh, they're putting a kendo stick inside. Oh, the fiend's going up the hill. If you like WWE, I think this toy is cool. So I think the winner of this match is me! No, me! No, me!